When I see beautiful food and all of this color set up like this, my body automatically starts to feel good. This is what my body tells me it wants when I see all this. There's so many ways that you can enjoy the foods that you get to eat while following the 4-week gut protocol. 1 week when you go to the grocery store, maybe you're getting blackberries and strawberries, and then maybe the next week you're gonna get some kiwi or some mango. Keep changing those fruits up. Don't eat the same thing over and over again. Over here we have different herbs, you see, and herbs are great. Those are free foods. You can put herbs and fruit and veggies in your water if you're somebody who doesn't like just drinking plain water. Onion, they're a great prebiotic food. So shop the perimeter of your grocery store. Try to stay away from the boxed food as much as possible. Pick a variety of things and enjoy your food over the next 4 weeks.